Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's discussion on blockchain interoperability and its significance in bridging the gap between different blockchain networks. Blockchain technology has brought numerous benefits, but the lack of interoperability between different networks poses challenges for seamless data and asset transfer. Joining us today are two experts in the field, Mr. Ryan Thompson, a blockchain developer, and Ms. Sophia Lee, a blockchain strategist. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. Number 10. Understanding blockchain interoperability. To begin, let's define blockchain interoperability. Mr. Thompson, could you explain the concept of blockchain interoperability and its importance in the blockchain ecosystem? Blockchain interoperability refers to the ability of different blockchain networks to communicate, exchange data, and transfer assets seamlessly. It allows for interoperability between various protocols, consensus mechanisms, and data formats. Interoperability is crucial in the blockchain ecosystem as it enables efficient collaboration, scalability, and enhanced functionality. Number 9. Challenges of blockchain silos. Blockchain silos, or isolated networks, hinder the potential of blockchain technology. Ms. Lee, what are some of the challenges created by blockchain silos, and why is interoperability necessary to overcome them? Ms. Lee, blockchain silos limit the exchange of information, assets, and functionality between different networks. They restrict the flow of data, hinder collaboration, and create inefficiencies. Blockchain silos also impede scalability and hinder the development of comprehensive solutions that require interoperability. Number 8. Types of blockchain interoperability. There are different approaches to achieving blockchain interoperability. Mr. Thompson, could you provide an overview of the types of interoperability mechanisms utilized in the blockchain ecosystem? There are several mechanisms for achieving blockchain interoperability. One approach is the use of sidechains, where additional chains are created to connect to the main blockchain, allowing for the transfer of assets between chains. Another approach is the implementation of cross-chain communication protocols, such as atomic swaps or hashed time-locked contracts, HTLCs, which enable trustless asset transfers between different blockchain networks. Number 7. Cross-chain atomic swaps. Cross-chain atomic swaps are one of the mechanisms used for achieving blockchain interoperability. Ms. Lee, could you explain how cross-chain atomic swaps work and their role in facilitating interoperability? Ms. Lee, cross-chain atomic swaps allow for the direct exchange of assets between different blockchain networks without the need for intermediaries. They utilize smart contracts and cryptographic techniques to ensure that both parties involved in the swap fulfill their obligations simultaneously, eliminating the risk of one party defaulting on the transaction. Number 6. Interoperability standards and protocols. Interoperability standards and protocols are essential for seamless communication between different blockchain networks. Mr. Thompson, can you elaborate on the importance of interoperability standards and protocols in the blockchain ecosystem? Mr. Thompson, interoperability standards and protocols provide a common framework for different blockchain networks to communicate and interact. Number 5. Use cases and benefits of blockchain interoperability. Blockchain interoperability opens up a wide range of use cases and benefits. Ms. Lee, could you provide some examples of how blockchain interoperability can be applied and the potential benefits it brings? Blockchain interoperability enables various use cases. For instance, it allows for decentralized exchanges that facilitate the trading of assets across different blockchain networks. It enables cross-chain lending and borrowing platforms that utilize assets from multiple networks as collateral. Number 4. Overcoming technical and governance challenges. The implementation of blockchain interoperability faces technical and governance challenges. Mr. Thompson, what are some of the key challenges and considerations when it comes to achieving seamless interoperability between blockchain networks? Mr. Thompson, achieving seamless interoperability requires addressing technical challenges such as differing consensus mechanisms, data formats, and transaction speeds across blockchain networks. Ensuring security and privacy while maintaining interoperability is another important consideration. Number 3. Regulatory implications and cross-border interoperability. Blockchain interoperability also has regulatory implications, particularly in cross-border transactions. Ms. Lee, what are some of the regulatory considerations and challenges associated with cross-border interoperability? Ms. Lee, cross-border interoperability requires navigating varying regulatory frameworks and compliance requirements across jurisdictions. Regulatory considerations include data privacy, identity verification, anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Number 2. Future outlook and collaboration. As we conclude our discussion, let's reflect on the future of blockchain interoperability. Mr. Thompson, what is the future outlook for blockchain interoperability, and how can collaboration drive its progress? Mr. Thompson, the future of blockchain interoperability holds immense potential. We can expect further advancements in interoperability protocols, cross-chain communication mechanisms, and standards. Collaboration among blockchain developers, researchers, industry players, and regulatory bodies will be crucial in driving progress. Number 1. Interoperability solutions and projects. Interoperability solutions and projects are emerging to address the challenges of blockchain interoperability. Mr. Thompson, could you provide some examples of notable interoperability projects and their approaches? There are several notable interoperability projects in the blockchain space. One example is Polkadot, which utilizes a relay chain and parachains to enable interoperability between multiple blockchains. Cosmos is another project that aims to create an interconnected network of blockchains through its inter-blockchain communication (IBC) protocol. Ethereum's upcoming upgrade, Ethereum 2.0, incorporates the beacon chain and shard chains to enhance scalability and enable interoperability. By embracing interoperability and fostering collaboration, the blockchain ecosystem can unlock new opportunities, enhance connectivity, and drive broader adoption of blockchain technology. Thank you once again for your valuable contributions. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it and, if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel.